Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Put the empty stainless pan on medium heat for about 2-3 minutes. That creates an even surface temperature. Once done, flick 2-3 drops of water. If they bead and dance, the pan is ready. Add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of a high smoke point oil and tilt to coat. The oil fills microscopic surface pores so food won't immediately bond. Make sure your protein or vegetables are dry. Moisture forces sticking. So pat them with a towel before once the oil shimmers, place your food into the pan and resist the urge to move it. You want an undisturbed sear for 2-4 minutes depending on thickness. Make sure to adjust heat. If the oil smokes, lower it. If there's no sizzle, raise it slightly. Steady sound equals proper bonding and Maillard flavor. After the initial sear, slide a thin spatula under the edge. When the surface has browned and releases, flip. You'll notice proteins detach naturally when finish cooking by lowering the heat and adding butter or aromatics at the end. This both flavors and helps loosen the food. Once done, deglaze the still warm pan with a splash of wine, stock, or vinegar and scrape to lift the fond into a sauce. This prevents residue from hardening. If something sticks, don't scrape furiously. Remove the food to rest, then clean the pan using coarse salt and oil while warm, reheat, and oil before the next cook to prevent repeat sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.